tuition. Time ticking, but they don't see the vision.